I'm okay.
Are you really? The answer is no, by the way.
No, the answer is yes. I'm okay, man. My ankles just hurt a little bit.
It's cancer.
Not being okay.
Okay, I fell down the stairs and my back hurts. WebMD diagnosed me. Do you know there's...
Nice.
Rome.
Did you know?
Did you know testicles?
Just what?
You know who I could play?
Who? No.
You know
You're
who I
killing
could
Matt
play?
over there. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you. The focus on health.
Stick a leg. Uh-oh.
Pick ward that bush.
Which one?
The one I pinged.
Okay.
Neither am I.
I tried to get Tom.
He saw what was coming, but it was too late.
Oh, this guy too.
I missed those.
Good job, Pick.
I need to this tax. Since you got a double.
You could have just autoed it. You didn't have to throw it.
Yeah, but throwing is more fun.
Oh, somebody's teleporting
Up
back.
is
Thank you.
teleporting down.
I was doing good, but I did the opposite.
No.
No. He needs Gigabar.
What's on the menu?
Goodness. Nope, he flashed for it. He's scared.
Well, yeah, I mean...
Shield, 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 shield. Yeah. Nice.
I earned that kill.
You wanted it. Boink. There we go.
What?
Mobos!
What?
Mobos, activate!
What?
No, come back! Ah!
I don't want to do it.
That's
And
two
the,
Rift
and
Heralds
the
in
laner
one
takes
game.
the Rift Herald, as is tradition.
It's our people's tradition for Nunu to take the Rift Herald.
I want them.
Nunu is scary. Officially. Team Quadra kill. That was beautiful.
No,
And
come
then
here,
there's
come here, come here,
Tara
come here,
up
come here,
there.
come here. Come here. Oh, never mind, it's not there.
Going.
Oh
What a legend.
no! Push tower! Push tower! Push tower! Push tower!
Did you see that? Attack faster!
Yes, no, ah!
Did you see my flash?
Well, hey, I mean, who's gonna take the tower for you if not me? Frickin' a college. Okay, they surrendered.
GG.
This is gonna throw people off on the other team. They're expecting you. No, they're expecting Nautilus to be probably down in the bottom.
No, they're not. That's a Nautilus.
No?
That's a Nautilus with teleport and ignite.
Sick.
No one escapes the Zappy Stick.
While you're playing League.
Am I?
Yes.
I'm here to help.
Oh shit, did you hear how scared I got?
Yeah, I heard you like drop everything.
We need dubstep.
I ran out of
All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We need
I'm
some.
about ready to kill him again.
Get him, get him, get him, get him.
Yeah.
I just
Go.
basically stole that from you.
You're also acting like I...
Loop around.
No! Come back!
You just okay.
Wait.
No, 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 no. We're gonna get caught out. We're gonna get caught out.
Just a
Yep.
so mine too.
Truth be told, I'm glad
Count.
I was about to say didn't die.
Did you just die?
Kinda.
No, I didn't.
I took the-
Please send.
Why didn't I get the assist? I baited him with my death.
Literally down to 1 HP. Yamate.
Oh my. Nice flash. That
I
was a
didn't
good
flash.
That was not a flash. Oh, nice E.
Oh, there's a thing. There's a thing. There's a thing.
Well, he wasn't bothering us.
Yeah,
Wait a
I know,
minute.
but he's bothering that.
Wait. No way.
Yeah.
Oh, no way!
What?
Broken.
What?
I'm dueling it.
Mudo exhausted me. Abort ship. Abort ship. Abort ship. Abort the ship.
Oh, nice.
I just soloed Rift Herald, guys.
Yeah, that I've never actually seen that done in the history of Dota Legends.
Real- Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that feels nice. That feels twisty fresh.
I've never heard someone orgasm over getting sated.
Where did I get the other kill from?
Aha! Crit.
That feel like I've made a huge mistake. Actually, literally, all I thought is I saw, what's his face? I saw Azir over the wall and was like,
Why does he have a relic shield? That's my weapon. Shield thing. Lucian!
my shield is my sword.
That would be
And that's when we
an
run away.
awesome thing.
That's why I played Dark Souls.
Yep, that's pretty much it.
Do you know Dark Souls lets you double up on shields? I did.
Did you actually complete the game?
No.
Oh, I messed up. Oh.
I'm gonna initiate.
No, don't. We're not there.
I'm gonna go with Zerk Greaves.
What? A+. Where's my S+?